So, super excited to join you, my fabulous secret, not secret Kit Club family. I have a tutorial for you, and I want to show you how to use this new product. So this is Glitter Kiss, which is a glittering paste. So this is the color I got. It's like a gold, really shimmery, fun. And I'm going to do a little tutorial to show you how you use it, how it works. First thing you need to know is it comes like this in a jar, and then there's a little sponge part that comes up out of the top. Before you use the Glitter Kiss product, you have to take this sponge, run water over it, put a little dish soap right in the middle, smush it up good, run it under till the water runs clear, but there's still just a little bit of that like residue on it, and then it will work great. So I suggest doing oodles of die cuts all at once, because that'll make it, you can prime it once, you can do a ton of the glittery stuff, and then have it in your stash for easy use later. Okay? So I have a bunch of die cuts here that I cut. I have some hearts. I thought I would make some bows. And I'm going to make a title. So I'm going to start with these. And these are really, really, really easy. So you just take your brush, pop it in here, get some of this stuff going. Nice schmutz onto this. And then you just take it and put it on. Ta-da! Super easy. These come in all different colors. They come in all different styles. You can do, I lost my thoughts. Good thing this is just for you girls. This one is more transparent. Other ones are darker. And just let them dry. If you're worried about cleanup, can I just say, the girl that was demonstrating this stuff at Creativation made it look like totally mess-free. It's not, but a baby wipe will sweep it right up. Right? These are all metal dies that I used to create these, not my silhouette. So this one is Spellbinders. This is the Spellbinders die. These are from Tim Holtz. This one's a Lawn Fawn one. So yeah, this is just like fun pasty stuff. And when it dries, the glitter is permanent. It stays there. It's not going to come off. It's not going to go anywhere. It's not going to do anything. It's not going to flick off on you. That's the cool part. It's not going to flick off. It's not like loose glitter. So much fun. So that is how you use this. I'm not a pro. I should totally warn you guys, this is the first time I've used this other than watching the demonstration at Creativation. So yeah. Different areas are heavier, different areas are lighter. Where's my baby wipe? Yeah. And it wipes off nice and easy. So I remember correctly, once this is dry, and it dries quick, like it's dry now, you can take it and do it again. Oh, there you go. You put more on for more glitter, less for less glitter, and you can just keep glittering everything up. Christina has this, and you can request that it be added to your kits. And she has lots of different colors, so you won't get necessarily the gold, but she also has a gorgeous rose gold color. She has one that's like purpley and it looks like super cute. She has one that's like a pink color. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna continue making these die cuts, and then I will come back and I will show you what they all look like. Okay? But yes, lots of fun, gorgeous glitter. Okay, so I thought I'd pop on here quick and tell you some of the things. So here are 3 of them. First of all, I highly recommend 2 coats. Definitely 2 coats. But otherwise, this stuff goes on so nice, you guys. Like, it's just like la 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 la. But you definitely must have 2 coats. Really, it needs to have 2 coats. So I just thought I'd pop on quick as I continue working through here and showing you what I have found and what I have discovered. And so it's not messy in the sense that you're going to have like loose glitter when you're all finished. But it's liquidy, so yeah, I mean, it's still going to be a little bit of a mess. Just a mess, just a little bit. But it's more of a pasty, wipe it out with a baby wipe mess than a there's glitter on my dog's nose mess. So, you know, there's that.
She's talking from experience.
I am talking from experience. So, see, it comes right off. Some soap, some water. It's not on your hands, it's not on your mat. Cleans up really quickly. So I'm going to do this one last little die cut piece. And I thought I would do it on camera. And then by the time I get this one done, the bows should be dry and we'll put the bows together on camera too. So what I did here was, this is a trick that I learned from Jennifer McGuire. I can't take credit for it, but it's really cool and it's fun. So metal dies, cut 4 of them. And this is just my Scotch Quick Dry glue in a fine line bottle. So nothing crazy, nothing hard to get. Just, you know. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue them and stack them. And it's going to make a nice big chunky element. So you all know how much I don't like chipboard. You all know how much I don't like chipboard. But I like this, which isn't chipboard, and I know that. But it gives you some dimension. So there's some lovely dimension there. You get that dimension like chipboard gives you, but without icky chipboard. So, yep. I thought it'd be fun to make this die cut and then go ahead and hit it, ink it, or glitter it up. This is also a really great way to use up thin paper. Like if you have some like old, old from back in the day paper, then this is a really good way to use up some of that too. And you can do it with any die cut. I like to do it with the words. I just think it looks cool with the word die cuts, but you can do it with any die cut that any you want, really. It just gives you this nice, like, thick, dimensional, awesome word. Very cool. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use this glitter kiss. I'm going to put 2 coats of it on. You'll notice I don't have a dot for my eye because I never dot my eyes. Never, 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 never. I always use either, if I'm using a die cut, interestingly enough, so you have to prime these sponges, you know, before you use them. And you're supposed to leave soapy residue. So like there's bubbles coming out of my sponge, which is super funny to me. Isn't that funny? So I think this is going to be really, really fun addition to your kits, guys. Like so cute and fun. And I'm going to go ahead. Let's see if I can figure out how this works. Maybe we'll do this off camera later. These aren't quite dry yet, but you can see the bows, and then I'll put more of the glitter kiss on them and then wrap the thing around them. And they will be super cute. But we definitely want to let them dry because, see, if you don't let them dry, it comes off on your hands. So definite drying is the key. And I'm sure that throughout the scrap party, you'll be seeing me use these die cuts because I'm going to add them to my kit that I made to try to use up for the scrap party. So my plan is that that's what we'll do. And these will match my kit. So you'll see lots of little things. I hope you've enjoyed this little fun tutorial. I hope it was fun for you. With a new product and new things to play with in your mixed media arsenal. I don't even know if I'd call this mixed media. Maybe. I guess it is, but it just seems like it's a cool product. It's a nice glittery product. Let's say that. It's a new glittery product. Look how fun those look. Gorgeous. So, I will see you all again soon. Bye.